Ever heard a speaker so good you stopped what you were doing just to listen? That's the effect great speakers can have. And when it comes to premium audio, KEF has built a reputation that audiophiles absolutely swear by. Detailed sound, massive sound stages, and vocals that feel shockingly real. Whether you're listening to music, movies, or even simple acoustic tracks. Let's jump in, starting at number 5, the KEF Q15. Oh, this speaker proves you do not need to spend thousands for genuinely impressive sound. The Q150 is compact, affordable by KEF standards, and incredibly balanced for its size. Vocals sound clean, instruments feel beautifully separated, and the overall presentation feels much bigger than you'd expect from a small bookshelf speaker. The secret is KEF's Uni-Q driver design. The tweeter sits directly in the center of the woofer, which helps sound spread more naturally across the room. And honestly, you notice it immediately. Music feels open, spacious, and surprisingly immersive, especially in smaller rooms. The bass isn't massive, but it stays tight and controlled, which actually makes music sound cleaner overall. For people entering the audiophile world, the Q150 is still one of the smartest starting points. At number 4, with the KEF LS50. This is where premium audio meets modern smart living. The LS50 is a fully wireless speaker system, combining beautiful sound with streaming convenience and minimalist design. Spotify, Tidal, AirPlay, Bluetooth, TV setups, gaming. Everything connects easily without needing a giant amplifier setup. But the biggest surprise, the soundstage. These speakers sound way larger than they actually are. Vocals feel detailed, bass has real punch, and stereo separation is seriously satisfying. They also look incredible in modern setups. Desk spaces, apartments, minimalist rooms. The LSX2 fits almost anywhere while still delivering premium sound. If you want high-end audio without building a complicated system, this is an easy recommendation. Number 3. The KEF R3 Meta. Now we're stepping into serious audiophile territory. The R3 Meta takes everything people love about KEF and pushes it to another level. The first thing you notice is detail. Tiny background sounds, vocal textures, instrument placement. Suddenly, everything becomes easier to hear. Music feels layered and alive instead of flat. The bass response is also deeper and more controlled than most bookshelf speakers in this category, giving tracks real weight without sounding muddy. But what really makes these speakers special is imaging. Close your eyes, and instruments genuinely feel placed around the room with incredible precision. These speakers demand quality source equipment, but if you feed them good audio, the experience becomes seriously addictive. At number 2, it got the KEF LS50 Meta. This speaker is basically legendary in the audio world, and once you hear it, you understand exactly why. The LS50 Meta delivers one of the cleanest and most precise listening experiences you can get from a compact speaker. Everything sounds focused, controlled, and beautifully refined. KEF's metamaterial absorption technology helps reduce unwanted distortion, which gives vocals and instruments an almost holographic sense of clarity. And despite the compact size, these speakers create a huge soundstage when positioned correctly. They're also incredibly versatile. Jazz, rock, classical, movies. The LS50 Meta handles everything confidently. For many audiophiles, this speaker represents the perfect balance between size, performance, and price. But taking the number 1 spot, the KEF Blade One Meta. This isn't just a speaker, it's an experience. The Blade One Meta looks futuristic, sounds massive, and completely changes how you think music should sound. Everything feels enormous. The soundstage, the detail, the bass, the realism. Vocals feel physically present in the room. Instruments sound frighteningly lifelike. And the imaging is so precise that some tracks genuinely feel three-dimensional. But what makes the Blade truly special is effortlessness. Quiet acoustic songs feel intimate and emotional, while massive cinematic tracks sound room-shaking and immersive without losing clarity. So, which KEF speaker would you choose? A budget-friendly bookshelf setup? A wireless modern system? Or the jaw-dropping Blade One Meta at number 1? Drop your pick in the comments below. And remember, all product links are waiting in the description if you want pricing or full specs. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more audio and tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.